Today's Midday Kentucky Cooking segment brought to you by Creative Kitchen and Bath, where you will always cook in style.
Welcome back to Midday Kentucky, everyone. Here with Chef Alison Davis, and we're doing something that's going to create a lot of smoke, I think.
Well, we got a little coconut oil. We're smoking it out, but we're okay. We're going to add some broccoli. Woo!
You always try to burn me.
I think it makes for good TV. What do you think? If you have oil that starts to pop like that, I mean, this broccoli is dry. There's no water in it, but what you want to do is smother it. So you want to get more on it. The faster you can get more over the oil, the quicker you're going to get the
but you've made them really big.
I just can't please this man.
What are we
I don't
making,
know what
Boo?
we're going to do. All right, so I am, I guess, doing some wok cooking this week.
A what?
Wok, one-pot wok.
You are a one-pot
One-pot wok wonders. That's what we're going to call it.
She's a one-pot.
We're doing a simple one-pot dish, 5-minute dinner. Again, like when we're talking summer, we're talking quick. We want to get food on the table. We want to go outside. We want to enjoy our friends,
Well,
right?
stop a yapping and get them cooking.
Well, I am, and it's
Your
going to be
one-pot
done
wok?
in a matter of minutes because we are using some nice little cheats that make for a great meal, but they're clean and good to go. We've got some broccoli in our pan with a little bit of coconut oil. Going to go in with some just sliced onion, right? So I cut both ends off, and I'm just cutting some slices. We're going to saute that up in there with it.
I love onion.
I do too. I mean, if you don't, clearly you can omit the onion, but it is one of my favorites.
No, you got to have onion.
All right.
You're not allowed to make the dish if you don't use onion.
Another little quick cheat. I love adding carrots. I don't like cutting carrots, so we're going to go in with a little bit of shredded, right, in the bag.
Yeah.
It's quick, it's simple, it's easy, and it's colorful.
You're ripping in today.
I'm telling you. All right, so our carrots are going in. Why not use the whole
How
bag?
many are you making for today?
Well, I'm going to take this home for my family, so I'm getting dinner out of the way, right?
Oh, all right.
Yeah, we are.
I'll starve, don't worry.
I might have a little to share for you.
I don't know. No, I make
We'll
my
see if
dish.
you like it. All right, so we got our carrots, we got a little coconut oil. If you feel like it starts to get dry, just add another
Yeah.
little dollop in there, okay?
She's a little dry, doll. My one pot's dry.
All right, here's our next cheat, right? These, have you seen the nice chicken sausages at the store?
When I say, okay, I'm going to take, I shouldn't use the word hate.
I know,
don't
you
like
really
that.
shouldn't.
But I'm not a fan of packet meat.
I understand what you're saying, but you have to read the labels. You have to look
Is
at
it cooked
the option.
already?
It's not like Johnsonville, or it's not like certain brands, I should say, instead of calling somebody out. But this is chicken, mustard, sugar, garlic, water, paprika, but not much at all. Total fat 7 grams, total carbs 2, total protein 20 grams, total sugars 1. So it's very well balanced. We're going to take this chicken sausage, just cut it up.
Is that cooked already?
It is cooked.
Let me have a taste
It's
before you
andouille. It's already got a little spice, so we don't have to add any spice into our stir fry because it's already cooked. I love this. Just simple, easy, fast. He actually likes it. He just won't admit when I'm right. All right, so throwing in our chicken sausage. And then last but not least, I've got some...
I have to be honest with you, it's not bad.
All right, I'm going to season this
It
up
tastes like a
with-
Frankfurt.
Yeah, a little bit of ginger, right? With the
Oh, I love
broccoli, I
them.
think ginger would be great. Another great cheat, the ginger paste, right? Instead of using the fresh ginger.
Sweetie, can I, before we go any further?
Yes.
See, I would have put that in first with the oil. Is that wrong?
No, it's not wrong.
Oh.
You just sometimes risk burning it.
Oh.
All right, and then this chard I actually picked from my own garden.
Well, this isn't ready yet to put that in there.
This would be last. Why? Because it's greens, right?
Yeah, and
it's going to
it's-
wilt quickly.
Yeah, but this isn't ready.
We're going to let that go a little bit longer, but I'm just going to do a little quick chop of my greens.
Sweetie, would you cover this?
No, I wouldn't.
Okay.
And then we'll season it with salt and pepper, and we are going to be good to go here. So now you get cracking. He ate more sausage. I know what he did. All right. Well, I guess we'll tell him where to go.
Honey,
It's so
I
good.
have to say to you,
Look, I'm on a roll this
I'm
week.
taking it back. You want to find out about this recipe, head over to WTVQ.com. Click on the recipe tab, Chef Alison Davis on Instagram.
Yeah.
Appreciate you watching. Back after this short break, everyone. You're watching Midday Kentucky.